Kenya is experiencing its third wave of the COVID-19 infections. This is according to the Ministry of Health, which says that the country's positivity rate has in the recent days significantly increased to 14%, with 713 new COVID-19 cases reported today. Zainab Mohammed begins our broadcast tonight.
After battling the first and the second wave of COVID-19 last year, the Ministry of Health now says Kenya is currently experiencing its third wave of the COVID-19 pandemic.
I want to make it official today and to say that Kenya is already in its third wave.
According to Health CS Mutahi Kagwe, the country's positivity rate has significantly increased to 14%, as a total of 713 cases are reported in the last 24 hours, the highest number of new cases in the recent days.
The positivity rate that we are announcing at about 14% is also the highest one since the last phase is sometime in November.
Kagwe further says the country has further recorded a total of 12 COVID-19 related deaths, as the number of patients in the ICU is reported to have increased rapidly. Currently, there are a total of 90 patients in the ICU.
Already, I think you have seen an increase in numbers of the cases that are in our hospitals. We have seen an increase in numbers of those who are on ventilators. We have seen an increase in number on those who need oxygen. And therefore, we must continue with vigilance.
And after the expiry of the COVID-19 containment measures on the 3rd of this month, President Uhuru Kenyatta is expected to address the nation on Friday this week, with the Council of Governors and the Health CS emphasizing the importance of maintaining the current measures in order to contain the now COVID-19 pandemic third wave.
We want to support and agree with the Council of Governors that now the time has come to start looking back at some of the measures that we have taken, whether to increase and to stop and make some mandatory requirements of our population.
We note that the fight against COVID-19 is being hurt by the political gatherings. In this regard, the Council, in consultation with the Minister of Health, is urging the President to halt all political gatherings for the next 30 days in order to flatten the curve.
A number of countries in the world have already experienced devastating effects from the third wave of the COVID-19 pandemic. Zainab Mohammed, TV47.